Hello friends and welcome to Amazon. Today we are going to review this larger than life experience giving phone. The all new OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. This phone is your companion in every sense, as it is never going to leave your side. With a day's power, experience 17 hours of YouTube, 8.7 hours of WhatsApp video chat and 8.8 hours of gaming. All you gotta do is charge for 30 minutes and for 20 hours you will get non-stop entertainment. The 67-watt Super Whoop fast charging with a giant 5000 mAh battery allows it to have a short downtime with a long run time. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G remains fast, smooth and responsive even when you have up to 21 applications running in the background. Wait up, it gets better from here. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is the first in the Nord series to support flagship level endurance edition with the battery health engine that keeps your battery health at 80% even after 4 years of daily charging. It is the first phone to have a 6.72 large 120Hz display and the first to be designed in flat edge in the Nord series. It comes with 8GB virtual RAM expansion and dual stereo speakers, which is also the first time in the OnePlus Nord products. And to flaunt your photography skills, OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G comes with a 108 megapixel camera with 3x lossless zoom. It's like getting millions of pixels in your palm, as it gives you more crisp and natural pictures with enhanced details and clarity. Too many firsts, right? Well, that's what makes its experience bigger and better. To sum it up, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is a power-packed phone. Just right for those who like to live larger than life. So that's about it for this video. See you in the next one. I hope you had fun. Bye-bye.